This house was bought for $14,000, Tulsa, Oklahoma. The grass was about 3 feet tall. I just had to have a guy weed eat. One of my trim carpenters bought this to change it into his own rental unit. House was built probably in the 1930s or 40s. I'm showing you rough on the outside today what we're starting with, or what he's starting with, excuse me. He plans on putting, he bought the house for $14,000. He plans on putting about $15,000 in it. He's going to change the siding on it to T111. The house is pretty solid inside. Outside it looks like, hell. The roof's in bad shape, but he's got roofers coming that work on the weekends. They'll come the outside. His backside here. So when I put metal siding, and he'll rip all that off and put 211 on it. Here's the metal siding. What had happened with this house is someone had purchased it earlier, started some tear out on the inside, tore out the bathrooms, the kitchen, everything, watched way too much HDD TV, and thought to themselves, oh, I'll fix it myself real quick and then I'll flip it. So it was a flipper's nightmare. So after they learned that it was too much for them, they basically abandoned it, and abandoned the project, I should say. So the house, I'll give you exact dimensions in the next video, but it's a 3-bedroom house now. It was originally a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. It's a 3-bedroom now. He put a laundry room in here already. I'll take you in the house on the next video over the weekend, show you progress. And so this is a rough house. It's in Tulsa, Oklahoma. It's an older white-collar neighborhood, but the neighbor across the street gets a beautiful home, lawn's manicured. The house over here is a nice shape. It's a corner lot. It's a gigantic lot. Rear parking. Next door is another rental unit. It's smaller but in decent shape. They need to mow the yard and stuff. But other than that, he should have probably about $35,000 in this house when it's all said and done. We'll see. We'll see how close he gets to this project. It'll be interesting, and I'll share it with you. Thank you.